Ever found yourself a little short before payday? Like that awkward moment when your bills are due, or that must-have item pops up, and your bank account is giving you the side eye? We've all been there, right? That's where apps like Beforepay can sound like a real lifesaver, offering a bit of a financial bridge until your next paycheck lands. But, like any financial service, getting approved for Beforepay isn't automatic. They have their criteria, and understanding what those are can significantly boost your chances of getting access to those helpful advances. So, if you've been wondering, how do I actually get approved for Beforepay, you've landed on the right video. We're going to break down the key factors Beforepay considers, giving you a clear roadmap to potentially accessing their services. First things first, Beforepay, like most financial institutions, needs to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure to protect both them and you. So, make sure you have your valid identification documents handy. Think your driver's license, national ID, or passport. You'll likely need to provide some personal information, so ensure everything you enter is accurate and matches your official documents. Any discrepancies here could raise red flags and potentially delay or even prevent your approval. Next up, and this is a big one, is your employment and income. Beforepay's core function is to provide advances based on your expected future earnings. Therefore, they need to be confident that you have a regular income stream. Typically, this means you'll need to be employed and receiving consistent paychecks. While the exact requirements might vary, be prepared to link your bank account to the app. This allows Beforepay to verify your pay schedule and the amounts you're regularly receiving. They're looking for consistency and a track record of income that suggests you'll be able to repay any advances you take. Speaking of your bank account, its health also plays a crucial role. Beforepay will likely assess your account activity to understand your financial habits. They'll be looking for things like regular deposits, ideally from your employer, a history of responsible account management, avoiding excessive overdrafts or negative balances, and generally a picture of financial stability. A well-maintained bank account signals lower risk to Beforepay. Now, let's talk about credit history. While Beforepay might not conduct a deep dive into your credit score like a traditional lender, it's reasonable to assume they consider your overall financial standing. A history of significant negative marks on your credit report could potentially influence their decision. While it might not be the sole determining factor, maintaining a decent credit history is generally a good practice for accessing any financial services. Another important aspect is the frequency and amount of your paychecks. Beforepay needs to see a predictable pattern of income to determine how much they can comfortably advance you. If your income is sporadic or the amounts fluctuate wildly, it might be harder for them to assess your repayment ability. Having a regular pay schedule, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, will likely work in your favor. Finally, it's crucial to provide accurate and truthful information throughout the application process. Any attempts to misrepresent your income, employment, or financial situation will almost certainly lead to rejection and could even have further consequences. Honesty is always the best policy, especially when dealing with financial services. So, to recap, getting approved for Beforepay generally involves verifying your identity, demonstrating a consistent and reliable income stream through a healthy bank account with regular deposits, and providing accurate information. While specific criteria can change, focusing on these key areas will significantly improve your chances of accessing the financial flexibility Beforepay offers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.